Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission in the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Channel, in today's video guys, we'll discuss if you have a code guys such as P2120 2120, how to fix that and what is causing that code. We'll demonstrate here guys. We'll be working on BMW 3 Series E46. It should help you guys if you have an E46 from year 1998 to year 2006. We'll guys have more than 200 videos on this car and every car we get at the shop, because our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please guys, subscribe to the channel, like the video and leave a comment below guys for all the work we do, and also you can stay up to date with the new videos. So let's start on it now. Okay guys, so we're inside the vehicle now. Okay, let me turn the light on so you can see better. You can see engine light and EML light is on. Okay, right there. Engine light, EML light is on, and it just doesn't go away guys, it just stays there. So we'll explain guys, okay, what is causing that now. What we'll be using guys here, okay, this is the scanner that we'll be using. This is amazing too guys, and it works not just on BMW, it works on any car guys. And you can do so many things with it. You can read and delete codes from the engine computer, traction control computer, ABS and brake computer, airbag computer as well guys. You can diagnose your airbag system, register car batteries, quite a few things. So if you're on the market for a computer guys, consider this one. You can find it listed in the description of the video below. So we'll click the engine OBD connection here. It's going to connect to the engine computer. It's recommended on BMW to do the diagnostics with ignition on, engine not running. Our battery is running a little bit low and I will not be able to have the ignition on only, so do not do what I'm doing, but I'll show you guys. Okay, we're going to pull the codes anyway and show you what's wrong with it. Okay, we have one code found. We'll click OK, and after that we're going to connect to the module right here and we'll click read codes, stored codes, and the code that we get P2120. Let's check the pending codes. Nope, the same thing. Throttle pedal position sensor switch D guys. Stay with us, we're going to turn the car off and I will explain guys, okay, what causes that code now and how to fix it. So what is causing that code guys is a faulty throttle position sensor switch guys. Okay, this is the throttle position sensor switch right here. This is the whole assembly, so it doesn't work guys, and as a result we cannot give it gas. It may malfunction, it may work only sometimes but not all the time. It may have a problem inside, and your car will just idle at about a little bit above 1000 RPMs if the thing is completely broken. Now we'll go ahead guys, get another replacement one, and you can find where you can buy one in the description of the video below and see where we get ours from, and we'll have the part numbers and all that stuff so you can check it out guys, and we'll see if that will take care of our problem. So make sure you stay with us until the end. So we have the new one installed now guys. I'll turn the ignition on. Okay, and what we'll do now, okay, we're going to go ahead and erase the codes now. Okay, let me connect to the module one more time, because what happened actually, we turned the ignition off so we can replace it. If you want to see how to replace the throttle position switch, go ahead guys, find the video on our channel, it's listed there. We just made a video, so that can help you. We'll click erase codes and erase done. So let's go ahead, turn the ignition off now. Okay, turn the ignition and turn it back on. Start the car, it fired right up. Okay, and everything works like it should, so that definitely took care of the problem. Thank you for watching guys, please subscribe. Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out, we have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.